Yeshua HaMashiach. He's the roaring lion of Judah, and he's holy. He's holy. Yeshua HaMashiach. Jesus Christ is our Redeemer. Yeshua HaMashiach. He's the Savior and the healer, and he's holy. He's holy. Yeshua HaMashiach. He's my rock. He's my rock.
God of Israel, it's ready for His time. The Holy One of Israel.